Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that has been shaping our lives and transforming the world around us. Artificial intelligence. I'm sure you have heard of an AI, but do you know just how much it's impacting our daily lives? Let's explore together. AI or artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field that enables machines to learn, reason, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's incredible how AI has become an integral part of our lives, making things smarter and more efficient in ways we could never have imagined. Alright, let's break it down. One of the most noticeable areas where AI has impacted us in the realm of virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These friendly AI helpers can answer our questions, control our smart devices, and even entertain us with jokes and games. But AI doesn't stop there. It's woven into our daily routines through personalized recommendations, from Netflix suggesting your next binge-worthy series to Spotify creating custom playlists based on your music taste. AI algorithms analyze our preferences and behavior to curate content tailored just for us. Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars work? Well, you guessed it. AI is the driving force behind them. With advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, these vehicles can navigate safely on the roads, reducing accidents and making transportation more efficient. Now AI's influence goes beyond entertainment and transportation. It's also making strides in healthcare. AI-driven applications can analyze vast amounts of medical data, aiding in the diagnosis of diseases and even predicting potential health risks. However, while AI brings a myriad of benefits, it also raises some important concerns. As AI evolves, there are discussions about privacy, data security, and ethical implications surrounding its use. We must ensure that AI is developed and utilized responsibly, with fairness and transparency. The future of AI holds limitless possibilities, from AI-powered robots helping us in industries like manufacturing and agriculture, to AI-driven innovations in renewable energy. There is no doubt that AI will help a vital role in shaping our world. So how can we embrace AI's positive impact and overcome its challenges? Education is key. By understanding how AI works and staying informed about its developments, we can make informed decisions and actively shape AI's role in our lives. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of AI's effects on our lives. Together, let's embrace the potential of this incredible technology while being mindful of its impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech-related content. See you next time.